Hello travellers, today we're going to be taking a look at the newly updated Daybreaker 2 from Ebook. Ebook really listened to all of the customer feedback when updating this bag and really improved it in so many ways that I would actually now consider it my overall favourite backpack. Ebook did send me this backpack for review, but all of my thoughts and opinions are my own, and there are links in the description below if you'd like to check it out. So let's take a look at some of the brief specs of the bag. It's 25 litres and it's made from Cordura ripstop nylon, and best of all, it only weighs 660 grams or 1.4 pounds, and it comes in at $128 US. So what's new with this one compared to the previous iteration? Well, it now features an extended main zipper that goes all the way down one side for more full access to the main compartment. The back panel now has two raised padded areas which allow for ventilation and extra comfort, and they really do make the bag more comfortable to wear. And finally, they also added a slim access pocket, which has been very useful for stashing flat documents and items like passports and notebooks. There's also an internal water bottle pocket as well as an external one, so you can actually choose where you want to carry your water. Unfortunately, there still is no main dedicated laptop compartment, although there is a sleeve in the main compartment where you can stash a laptop. The other slight negative about this bag for me is that sometimes it feels a little bit narrow. It's quite tall and not very wide, but sometimes packing things inside makes it feel a little bit fuller quicker than usual. It also sits a bit higher on your back than other backpacks, but this is not really a bad thing. It's just something that you might take a little bit of time to get used to. I think this bag was originally designed more as a hiking backpack than as a travel backpack, although it is really great for both purposes. There's a lot of grab handles all over the bag, which is very handy for when you want to take the bag on and off, and for pulling it out from under the seat or overhead compartment if you do use it while traveling. The straps are very comfortable, and there's a nice magnetic sternum strap that is removable and adds extra stability to the bag while you're wearing it when fully packed. I also like that they included little strap keepers on the main backpack straps to keep the excess strap material from flopping around. There's also a lot of extra useful lashing points all around the bag and on the bottom and on the sides, which are very handy when you want to attach extra items with a carabiner or a hero clip like I have here, or if you have some rope and you want to sort of attach items by tying them on. You may have also noticed that these zippers on the outside of the bag are water resistant zippers, and these kind of zippers are great for light rain or splashes, but I wouldn't consider them fully waterproof. So it's fine to walk around in a light rain shower if you're running to shelter, but I wouldn't submerge this bag or use it for heavy, continuous rainfall. Finally, there are a lot of pockets all over the bag, one stash pocket on the side as like the original, with a lanyard key holder inside, and there is a new slim access pocket, which is the one I mentioned before, which is very handy for stashing all kinds of small or flat items. And at the top is a great stash pocket for sunglasses or other small items. Overall, it's a great backpack and it's very lightweight, which is a great feature which I would love to see on more backpacks. It's very comfortable to wear and very durable, and I would highly recommend checking it out if you're in the market for a new do-it-all backpack. What's your favorite backpack? Do leave a comment below and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.